You have the right to know what you apply on your skin. Go to AskNAOS, scan the QR code, and decode the product composition. Discover the nature and role of our ingredients, the technologies and patents behind our innovations, and all about our formulation approach. Feel free to ask NAOS. We will tell you everything. How is an emulsion made? What is niacinamide? How do we get the retinol? Which products contain hyaluronic acid? Why is zinc oxide used as a UV filter? What is glycerin for? How do the patents work? Ask NAOS to be well-informed. You deserve transparency on what's behind your skincare routine. Become a skincare expert using AskNAOS. Anytime, anywhere on naos.com. NAOS, the founding company of Bioderma, Institut Estaderm, and Etat Pur.